time for problem. I know they do wahala.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing this video finally. Yes, the wing liner video, and this is something that I believe is beginners friendly because I'm gonna try my best to break it down in the best way possible. The products you're gonna need for this to create your wing liner is your gel liner, or if you prefer to use a liquid liner, that's fine as well. The steel smudge pot, and it's black. You need a angled brush as well, a small angled brush. The one I'm using is from Sigma. Alright, and it looks like this. Pretty simple, right? What I like to do is I start on the outer portion of my upper lash line, as you see me doing here, and I just start making little strokes, but I keep a steady hand and I try to make these strokes as straight as possible. I don't go straight in there and just make one line and I'm done. You know, you want to take your time and keep on building it up, but staying safe within that area so that your lines don't look too crooked. So you want to make sure you keep a steady hand and just keep on going along that area. I like to start on the outer portion because I like to build up that part more so it's a little thicker. I move on to the very outer part of the eye, like to the outer corners, and I make that line there, and I keep a steady hand. And with practice, guys, you'll get it. You won't get it in one go, but you'll get there. So after I do that, I basically go on top and I start connecting that outer portion to the line that we created in the beginning. So I'm basically just building up everything so that I can get the desired, you know, shape and size. And remember, we want to keep this as straight as possible, so I don't rush it. I just take my time and keep on doing little straight strokes. And yeah, it's easier to watch and learn to an extent, I'd say. You know, it's just one of those things. And now we're on to the inner portion of the eye. So this part, I make it way thinner than the outer portion so that, you know, it has a nice little graduation going on. And that's pretty much it. I move on to the next eye and I pretty much do the same thing. And yeah, that's all I do to achieve my wing liner each and every time. It doesn't change. Really, it doesn't change. And this is what we have. I went ahead, lined the bottom portion of my lower waterline. But yeah, guys, that's it. I really hope this little short video was to the point and detailed enough for you. You know, if it was, please give this video a thumb up and leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. You guys know I'm always trying my best to listen to you and give you what you want, so keep those suggestions coming in because I'm here. Let's talk. All right. I'm here to help you guys as always. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video today, and I'll see you in my next video.